Nice to meet you. Rami. Down. And Devin. All first go. Alright, so maybe I couldn't read the handwriting. We are off and running, guys. Have a good run right here. It is 21.5 stock TC, our first of 3 heats. This is our biggest class this weekend. Pretty smooth start here for race number 11, race number 12 in tech, race 13, start thinking about it. Uh-oh, trouble in the middle. Body tuck, and looks like it's untucked now, right? Okay, Picton was our race leader. Looks like Silva out in front now. Picton with a 28.1. So Lalo in the second spot, Vakashakin in third, Tran and West. So Anthony Silva down the backstretch. Watching the middle, caution the middle, we're clear. Body tuck, he's calling for it. Always best to pull it to a corner. Mark's gonna untuck it, and he's back in action. Nope, still there. Body tuck on that back driver's side rear. Driver's side rear. No, it's good. It's always something else. Silva, Savali, and Vagarshakian. Got all of that one. Let's body tucked on the driver's side rear. Silva out in front, 14.3. The blue one down the back straight. Savali and Narvi round out the top 5. It was basically 21.503. We're getting ready for race number 12, guys. Race 12, you guys should be headed through tech. Race number 13, start thinking about tech. Halfway there. Anthony still out in front, coming back through the center of the course in the light blue. Silva saving himself there. Savali in the second spot, trailing by 4.3. Anthony 14.9 the last time by 21.503. Savali on 21.508. Narvi in the third spot on 20.506. Thou in fourth and Brad around down the top 5. Watch it over here. We're clear. One minute and 20 seconds left to go, guys. Our lap in race still Silva's 13.6. Anthony Silva down the backstretch, getting some love from the white and orange car. Savali in the second spot, 14.9. Watching the middle, caution the middle, caution in the middle, and we're clear. Vagarshakian in third, Tran in fourth, and West to round out the top 5. Now followed by Pigton, Hayden. Watch it come out on the straightaway over here on the left-hand side. Caution come out on the straight, and we're clear. Yoshimitsu in the 8th spot, 35 seconds left to go. Anthony Silva, Savali, and Vagarshakian our top 3 now. Narb up into the 2 spot. Ten seconds left to go. Keep going, guys, keep going. Anthony, Rain, and Narb are top 3 here. Keep going, keep going. Silva down the backstretch, working on lap number 22 right now. So Anthony going to establish the early TQ here for 21.5 TC when he crosses the start-finish line. 2 more to finish. Wait on Thao and Josh. And that's a race. Everybody is done. Bring him in and shut it down. Anthony Silva going to take the win. Boom shakalaka. 22 and a 5:13. Beating second place by 2 laps. Nart second, 20 and a 5:01.3. Savali third, 20 and a 5:01.7. Photo finish for the 2 spot. Thao fourth, Devin fifth. Brad, Josh, and Yoshimitsu to round out the top and the field.